This is a tortoiseshell French nail art tutorial. Gonna apply my pink color first and cure that for 30 seconds, and then apply a yellow on top of that towards the free edge, cure that, and then gonna apply this orangey color. Not gonna cure that, and marbleize this black gel on top of it. I'm gonna keep marbleizing, and then we're gonna cure this. Then apply blooming gel on top, and now take your black gel that you used earlier and apply dots of it on top of this wet blooming gel. Let that bloom, cure it, and now apply matte top coat. Cure the matte top coat, cleanse it, and apply your black art gel. Cure that. Now going to apply chrome. This is pink opal right on top of that black. And now finally the chrome top coat, and we cure that for 60 seconds.